Just as a quickie selfie reminder, those making avoid the use of sodium hydroxide or lye, which can burn your skin and permanently damage your eyes. So be sure to learn and follow lye-safe handle procedure during the entire sauce making process, even while cleaning up. You can buy the products on Instagram store on.taa. Remember to follow my channel and like it. Your support is my bigger motivation. Hello everyone. Today I teach you how to do Garden Burnet Root soap. According to Chinese medicine, the medicine taste of youth is a better, sour and slightly cold. It is executed to the liver, stomach, and large intestine meridians, so it has more offensive effects on the internal organ and meridians. The Garden Burnet Root is cold and bitter, and it has the effects of cooling blood and relax heart. Astringent and stop bleeding is used for the treatment of vomiting blood, urine blood in the stone, hemorrhoid blood, etc., and is suitable for blood in the stone, hemorrhoid, and leakage caused by lower scorch, blood, fever. Garden Burnet Roots also have the effects of laxative, detoxification, and have a astringent effect, which is essential medicine for the treatment of burns. Can be used for burns, eczema, skin ulceration, and other effects. Who is not suitable for taking Garden Burnet Root? People who are allergic to Garden Burnet Root or its ingredients, and people with bleeding and bruise should use Garden Burnet Root with caution. Pregnant women and children should use with caution. Thank you to watch my channel. Thank you.